Say hello to Emma. Emma's team is responsible for data analytics at a company that provides back-end services for some of the largest health insurers in the country. Emma is working on a replacement for their expensive and outdated analytics platform. She wants a replacement that, while being modern, lightweight, and cloud-ready, is also something she can deploy within her company's firewall. She is responsible for valuable data and cannot risk hosting it on a public cloud. All Emma needs is Bold BI Enterprise Edition by Syncfusion. Having Bold BI Enterprise Edition, Emma does not need to worry about company data being compromised by living outside the world-class security infrastructure. She knows that data will never leave her company's firewall. The Bold BI support team works with Emma from the moment she signs up. Server installation is a breeze. Bold BI can integrate with a wide variety of common data sources, and with just a little work, all of Emma's data is available in one place. Bold BI offers the best data preparation experience. With a few quick steps, Emma can have an array of powerful dashboards, managing all of her data in useful, interactive formats.
But what if I need help incorporating custom data sources?
Don't worry, Emma, our support team has you covered. Oh, and did I mention, Bold BI provides over 30 easy-to-use drag-and-drop widgets, quick data mapping, and advanced widget configurations for a seamless dashboard experience that helps you make financial projections. But don't forget about the users. Emma's users can share dashboards using flexible permissions and built-in comments with anyone they choose, whether it's someone down the hall or their customers on the other side of the world. They can create customized schedules to share dashboards when needed, and email dashboards with data alerts to keep everyone in the loop. But you know what the best part is? It only takes a few clicks. Emma can integrate with on-premises Active Directory for custom authentication needs and world-class security. Her users can also access, organize, and export their dashboards on the go via mobile BI. And they can even interact with dashboards from large screen displays. Company KPIs are displayed prominently on large screens. The executive team is thrilled and actively talking to Emma about their plans in the coming months. Congratulations, Emma. With Bold BI, you're ready to see clearly and act boldly. Ready to revolutionize your business? Start your 15-day trial of Bold BI now.